Oh, and it's ugly. Dragons and Vikings. Enemies again. Locked in combat to the bitter.
Give me higher ground.